Good afternoon, guys. My name is Munjal Jala. I lead the channels and alliances for Soroco globally. Today, we have a power-packed panel of industry thought leaders who are going to share their experience about AI, interaction data, and how they're helping their customers in leveraging this technology. So why don't we start with a quick introduction. Venkat, please introduce yourself and the company you represent.
Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Venkata Jagan Saka. I lead the intelligent automation practice for a company called Hinduja Global Solutions. And basically, I help the clients collaborate with them in skimming through all the business process across the enterprise and tell them that, okay, what process needs an automation, what process needs a process improvement, or it could be an app modernization. So that's most of the thing, closely working with them, defining the strategy, roadmaps for them. Thank you.
Charlie?
Hi, I'm Charlie Stuard with Apromore. So we're a Soroco partner focusing on process data. So we're a process mining company. We do no-code process mining and really build end-to-end process models. We do simulation and monitoring as well.
Excellent. Richard?
And thank you for that picture. This is what 15 years of entrepreneurship does to you.
I updated mine.
Yeah. But my name is Richard Metz. I'm one of the managing partners of TransSigma. As the name implies, our history was from a lot of GE people, GE Capital, Six Sigma Master Black Belts came together early 2000s to do process improvement and transformation for companies. And obviously these technologies, whether it's process mining, interaction data, makes such a great fit for the work that we do, and we're all in.
Excellent. Thank you. So Venkat, HGS is a leader in consulting with a significant workforce. How does a large system integrator like yours create value for customers by partnering with a technology company like Soroco?
Sure. So we started the intelligent automation practice for like more than 9 years. So we have a very unique service offering we call as lean ops assessment. So when we talk to the client, when we understand various business processes, we use manual methods to understand about their systems, their data, and the people who are interacting. Or we used to use some sort of a questionnaire we used to get from the client, saying that, okay, we do 10,000 transactions, we access this 10,000 systems, whatever it may be there. We used to do more of a manual thing. And that was an offering that has been used by most of our clients as a beginning of the digital transformation. And now we have been partnered with the Soroco for more than 1.5 years. I feel that interaction data getting about from the processes will definitely help us accelerating our lean ops assessment. Not only based on the earlier manual process, this will be completely a data-driven process, which will help the CXOs or the business leaders to take a very insightful decisions. So I feel that HES and the Soroco will be a seamless partnership.
Excellent. Thank you. Charlie, Apromore is known for process mining and leveraging AI. Where do you see the synergy between Apromore and a company like Soroco?
Yeah, we just completed our partnership with Soroco, and really the thinking behind it was, Apromore can give you your full end-to-end process across systems and really tell you where the issues are and where you need to focus. And then Soroco could let you dig down in that with the interaction data and really show you how that work is being done. So, within the process steps that we're identifying, you can really see what's happening in detail. And then with Apromore, you can actually simulate the changes that you're making to that process and understand what the business outcome is going to be, either in frequency and duration or cost.
Excellent. Thank you. Richard, TransSigma is a unique in its approach to process transformation, collaborating with various technology providers. Where do you see TransSigma and Soroco adding value to the customer?
So in the process transformation journey, right? The tools today are infinitely better than what we had 20 years ago. I mean, you talk about time trials. Has anyone done a stopwatch and sat behind somebody and actually watched what they've done? You've done that? Crazy. But really the big thing that still comes as a challenge is that you're still changing a process, right? Sure. You still have people in the mix that need to be convinced. And really, I think the main thing is bringing that sort of empathetic leadership that we bring with the tools together, and it's a great match.
Excellent. Thank you. Venkat, let's go back to you. You've heard about a lot of AI interaction data today. What are your thoughts on this and how it will impact the industry?
See, AI and interaction data is definitely going to be a fascinating and impactful space. As Michael was talking about from the Bayer experience, this space is going to definitely derive, especially the organizations who are focusing on understanding what the processes are. Because when I deal with a lot of clients, most of the clients, they don't have even the user manuals or SOPs. So definitely this AI in combination with interaction data will definitely space. For example, let me take one example where we have been working with one of the contact center client. This is the other side of the part. A customer who is interacting with the client organization through emails, through chats, or posting some of the either feedbacks on the social platform, we need to take all these interactions and also apply the AI on top of it to understand what is the customer sentiment on that, what is the customer preferences, so that the clients can provide a better experiences to the customers. So this space was there, but now it is going to definitely blow in the coming years.
Excellent. So Charlie, I'm sure you would have noticed the increased interest of customers in AI. So where do you see this trend going from here?
Yeah, I would say it's almost all the customers want to talk about. The AI hype is huge, as you guys all know. And I think, maybe overhyped. My view on this right now is, right now we're in the flip phone stage of, you can make a phone call. It's great. It's amazing what you can do. Nice small phone, take it anywhere. In order to get to the smartphone stage of AI, I think you really have to have good data. You have to really understand your processes, both at an interaction level and an end-to-end process level, to be able to really use what we see is, having a good, co-pilot capability. So, being able to ask AI, what can I do to improve my processes? Or where might my processes break and what could happen as a result of that? I kind of see that as the next step.
Absolutely. So Richard, you have seen that we are passionate about AI and interaction data, right? Do you think this technology can fundamentally change the way the processes are, the work is being done?
I think it's a very big step change because what interaction data does is it really proves the process, right? Everything else is we're measuring it, we're looking at it. It's not necessarily proving what people are doing. Interaction data actually does that. And I think that is key for change.
Yeah.
And it's also key for accurately improving the processes.
Yes. So after a heavy dose of all the sessions we have had, so let's finish by having some fun questions, right? So, Venkat, do you think AI will replace humanity in near future?
I don't think so. See, the same question is coming again and again to the human beings whenever we have a technological advancement, saying that are the humans going to be replaced, like humanity is going to be replaced, am I right? Definitely there's going to be shift in the way people are going to work, but definitely it will not be able to replace 200%. It will continue to complement the human beings in accelerating their decisions or improving their capabilities or giving a better results at a lower price. That will be continue to be there, but it's not going to completely take over.
You sure?
100% sure. Yeah. Yeah.
Excellent. Charlie, what's one thing you think that AI cannot do that a human can do?
So to me, it's really creativity and culture, I would say, the two things. I mean, getting a whole bunch of people in a room and talking about AI and coming up with ideas, especially for new situations, I think is a uniquely human thing.
Yeah.
And I think AI is going to take a lot of the tasks that it can do and give us more time for that creativity.
Absolutely.
Yeah, one of the things that AI cannot do is this.
Yeah. The last question, Richard. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. So if you could have an AI companion from any book, movie, or a TV show, which one would you choose? And more importantly, why?
I mean, this was close to my cousin Vinny, but I'm going to go with MacGyver. How great would it be to have a MacGyver? Everything that you need to do and want to do, and you only have 2 sticks of gum, a paper clip, and a bobby pin, and you get it done. But so I would go with Angus MacGyver.
Excellent. Well, thank you everyone for your insight and engaging discussion.
Thank
I'll hand
you.
it over to my colleague, Seth and Hamza. But thank you once again. I'm sure you will be able to have opportunity to discuss with the participants. All of them have booths downstairs, and Infosys would have it here. So please engage with them. Looking forward to kind of having a fruitful dinner and drinks afterwards. Thank you once again.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for the partnership.